In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your KakaoTalk app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so what we need to do is open up KakaoTalk. And now from here, I'm just going to quickly show you that you cannot log out via the app in this way. So I'm going to click on the gear settings, click edit. There's nothing to edit. Now I'm going to click more. Now I'm going to click account. Now this is where we should be able to log out. For some reason, KakaoTalk doesn't allow us to log out of our account. So now I'm inside my account. If I scroll down, generally it should say log out, and it doesn't. That's okay. There's a workaround for this. So what we need to do is head back, click and hold the KakaoTalk app until more information appears. Next it says KakaoTalk, click on the I app info, scroll down, and you'll see storage. Click in the storage, and then it will say clear data. Go ahead and click on clear data. So what this does, all of the application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all file settings, accounts, database, etc. So be mindful of that. So in order to log out, sign out, click delete. Now if I go back to KakaoTalk, I should be greeted with a login. So welcome to KakaoTalk. Now we can log back in using our email or phone number or password as well. So that's how you can successfully log out of your account.